Have you ever left a workshop feeling more stressed than inspired? It's a surprising reality the very environment meet to ignite your creativity can sometimes stifle it. Many people overlook the hidden pressures within these spaces, where the expectation to perform can overshadow personal growth. Imagine a room filled with eager faces, buzzing with potential, yet beneath that excitement lays a heavy weight of expectation. You are expected to contribute, but what if you can't? Doubts begin to creep in, making you question your worth, your ideas, and your place in the group. Think back to your last workshop. Did you find yourself caught in a cycle of comparison? Surrounded by diverse talents, you might have felt smaller instead of inspired, trapped in a silent competition that chips away at your confidence. Now, let's consider the facilitator. Even with the best intentions, a rigid approach can unintentionally stifle individual voices, turning creativity into a chore. You're meant to innovate, yet you feel boxed in. Sharing a new idea only to be met with silence can be paralyzing, fueling the fear of judgment and pushing you to blend in rather than stand out. The social dynamics can be even more insidious. The desire to fit in may lead you to suppress your true thoughts, fostering a herd mentality that silences unique ideas. And let's not forget about burnout. Attending back-to-back workshops can drain your enthusiasm, leaving you to question whether this path is truly right for you. The cycle of expectation and comparison is exhausting. Are these workshops genuinely beneficial, or just another source of stress? Recognizing these signs of workshop-related stress is crucial. Acknowledge the pressure, take a step back, and prioritize self-directed learning. Seek out environments that celebrate diverse thoughts and encourage your unique perspective. Reflect on what truly fuels your growth. Are workshops enhancing your creativity or stifling it? The truth might surprise you. If you're feeling brave, take a moment to share your journey. How have you navigated the challenges of workshop culture? Your experience could inspire someone else caught in the same web. Have you ever walked into a workshop buzzing with excitement, only to feel that spark fade into the background noise of groupthink? It's a common experience, yet not often discussed. You might think workshops are the ultimate boost for personal growth, but what if I told you they can sometimes hold you back? This is where the hidden pitfalls of workshop culture come into play. Imagine being in a room full of eager faces, ideas flying around, and a wave of inspiration washing over you. But then something shifts. The loudest voices dominate, and suddenly your unique ideas start to fade away. That's your first warning sign. You begin to conform, blending in instead of standing out. At first, you might not even notice it, it's subtle. Yet, as the workshop continues, that initial excitement begins to dim. Can you relate? Think back to a group brainstorming session. Did you feel empowered, or did you hold back from sharing your thoughts? Many people find themselves sitting quietly, waiting for the right moment to speak, but that moment often never comes. The unspoken truth is that workshops tend to favor the loudest, most confident voices. What about those quieter, more reflective thinkers? They risk being overlooked. Their creativity stifled. This happens more often than you might think. Now, picture a workshop where everyone is encouraged to share, yet the pressure to perform creates an unintentional hierarchy. How does that impact your personal journey? It's a delicate balance. Imagine leaving a workshop feeling drained and questioning your abilities. You came in seeking growth, but instead you feel like you've taken a step back. This isn't just an individual experience, it's a systemic issue affecting many. So, what can you do? Start by recognizing these dynamics. Acknowledge what's happening around you. Then, seek out environments that celebrate diverse voices. Look for workshops that nurture individuality instead of pushing everyone toward a single narrative. For and the single Here's the key takeaway: while group learning has its benefits, it's essential to be aware of the pitfalls lurking in the shadows. Embrace your unique perspective, even if it feels uncomfortable. As you continue on your growth journey, remember your voice matters, even when the room is loud. Stay curious, stay engaged, and don't let the culture of conformity dim your light. If you found this perspective helpful, share your thoughts below. What has your workshop experience been like? Let's keep this conversation going. Have you ever left a workshop feeling inspired, only to find yourself stuck weeks later, wondering why you haven't made any real changes? You're not alone. Many people don't realize that every workshop's designed to foster growth can sometimes hold them back. It might sound surprising, but let's dig a little deeper. Imagine it being in a room full of eager learners, all sharing ideas and cheering each other on. The energy is electric. But what if I told you that this environment could actually stifle your unique voice? Picture this: you're sharing an idea during a brainstorming session, and everyone around you is nodding in agreement. It feels great, but there's a subtle warning here. When everyone thinks alike, how often do you really challenge yourself to think differently? Now, think about those moments when your creativity truly sparked. Were they during group discussions or in the quiet of your own thoughts? It's a tricky balance. Sometimes, the desire to fit in or please the group can overshadow your individual insights. Maybe you've felt the frustration of blending in. You come to these workshops with fresh ideas, but somehow they get lost in the shuffle. People often focus more on agreement than innovation, revealing the hidden pitfalls of workshop culture. Let's consider a real-life example. You attend a workshop, excited to share a project you're passionate about. But as you present, you notice the audience's eyes glazing over, and the feedback is lukewarm. You leave feeling deflated, questioning whether your ideas were even worth sharing. This isn't just about one disappointing experience, it's a pattern that can keep repeating. This is disappointment. And say, why, say,